Alright, hi everybody on YouTube. Thanks for watching. This is an eco worthy battery I got off of AliExpress. It's 280 amps, 200 amp BMS, and 2500 something watt hours. I'm not sure. I thought I would just go ahead and make a video and open it up so people could see what it looks like. A lot of people are buying it on, it was on Slickdeals, and the prices, you can try all these different coupons and stuff on AliExpress, and I paid, like, after all the taxes and getting different coupons and stuff, I think I paid $297. I mean, some people posted that for lower price, but I don't know how you would do that. So I'm gonna just set up my camera and show you what's inside. And they also, I bought it 7 days ago. They shipped it FedEx, but FedEx delivered it to the apartment across the street. And it just said delivered, and there was a picture of a front porch I didn't recognize. It's not my front porch, and I was like, it's not delivered, or it's delivered not to my house. And then today I was just like, oh, maybe that's the apartment complex, because it had like a like a bench kind of thing and a couple brooms. And so I walked over there, and the door was unlocked, and there's my package on the stoop over there. So, because I can't imagine if it was misdelivered. I don't trust AliExpress to give me my money back. I think I would have been lost out $297, which would have been pretty sad. So I'm happy I figured out where it is, and I didn't have to. And I don't think FedEx even tried. And AliExpress said that I needed to let FedEx know, and I'm like, you're the shipper. Like, the shipper needs to let. So I sent a thing into FedEx, and I'm like, this isn't my house. And that was 2 days ago, but 2 days ago nobody's responded to me or anything. I just luckily walked over there, and there's my package with my name on it. So here, let me set up camera. Sorry for all the wiggling. Hopefully this stays. Okay. I'll zoom out a little bit. So I got some manuals, a bunch of stickers. Oh, I'll turn the screen around so I can see. Okay, so lithium, this is the details. 160 amps, continuous, it's not supposed to swell. You can put 4 in parallel, 4 in series. 2 or 4 of these seems like it would be enough for a whole house. Oh, it's got stuff in the back. Oh, you can call. There's a phone number to call. The details. Got another guide. 24 volts. You can put 48 volts. I guess that's what people probably want to do if you have a bunch of solar panels. I don't really have that. I only have one solar panel right now. Got a big manual. That's nice. Oh, and there's an app for the battery management system. Oh, it's got instructions how to wire it up. I don't know if the app. I think it has an app somewhere. Big manual. Oh, the app user manual. So you can check on the state. I guess because it has the the lithium, you don't want it to catch on fire, so it has the app, so, but it will discharge over time. You don't have it. More information. This says it won't explode. Dogs are locked outside. Got the screws for the battery and the covers. This is very heavy. It weighs 65 pounds. I don't know how you're supposed to get it. This is what I'm gonna do. Hopefully I don't burn my house down. God damn. Oh. Alright. Holy crap, this is so big. This is humongous. It's way big. It's probably twice as big as almost twice as big as the deep cell brain battery. It's so big. Wow. And it just has the logo on it. Oh, it's got Bluetooth. It'll go down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Even though it's operating, it'll operate down there. I think that's it. I don't trying to hook it up or anything, but I just want people to see what they're gonna get. Thanks.